Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Frogs, is my YouTube channel. So guys, I have missed you so much because this almost 1 month since my last video. If you are watching for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the returnees, thank you so much for being with me all through. I thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. I really want to say thank you so much for being there with me. So guys, today I want to show you how we can harvest beans. Let me show you how we always harvest beans in our small farm. Even though it's a small farm, but I think I can show you what we usually do. So you can see my good people, you can see from the crowds, from the environment, you can see this very greenish. You can see the maize, the beans, the bananas. You can see the trees, guys. It looks so nice. It has been raining for the past 2 days. It rains, but today is a good day. So guys, this is maize, and we have some beans here now. These are the beans. When they have dried like this one, that means they are ready to be harvested, guys. So guys, you can see these are beans. You can see. So we do harvest this way. You can see, guys. This is the way we do it. You see, guys, this